Euro red zone, bottom of the pile, yen, all the sparkle. So I want to be short here, getting short on the euro and long on the yen, but I'm going to need a retracement. So retracement of this last directional swing back to the 50-61% level. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Monday, 2 December 2024, and today I'll be trading long on the New Zealand, the yen and the pound, and short on the Aussie, the CAD and the euro. If we look at the dollar index, very bouncy. Last week we saw this big sell-off after a fake out close to the 1.618 fib of this last directional swing, which I showed you on the weekly charts, this sideways range. So it did fade it and now coming back into the range. Now we see a gap down for Friday and then a gap up for Monday. So almost look like an abandoned baby bottom, which is a very bullish pattern, but we still have today to close. And there's usually price gaps. There's no real price gaps, so that negates the bullishness of the setup. However, the closes shows us some strength coming in, providing the candle close like this for today. So we will see what happens by the end of the trading day. And just by the way, congratulations to all the XRP holders. Yes, very beautiful pattern here. Ran up the page and I took some profits at these highs at 1.96 and again at the 1.27 last night of the swing here, which was 2.46. So I took some profits, but that means 5% of my portfolio, nothing more. Just 5% here, 5% there, so I closed out 10%. My next stop is 325, which is the all-time high, and then 525. So I will also have 5% and 5% on both of them. Nothing in between. So yeah, let's hope for the best there. Coming back to Bitcoin, a little bit of a mixed weekend, no clear direction. Selling off on a Monday morning, which is never a bad thing. Consolidating, if we look at the consolidation at this stage, I think we might see now a bit of a consolidation as we roll over. Most likely, I'm not saying altcoin season is there, but I do get the feeling that it is. But we can get this consolidation while traders are going out of Bitcoin into the altcoins. We can see big run-ups. Algorand went up, XLM fly like 500% this month. XRP you saw flying. So I think we do see, nobody knows exactly when altcoin season is starting and there's no clear-cut end to it, but we can see in general Bitcoin is now leading the pack and now consolidating while we see random cryptos flying up the page. I saw Litecoin also up 20-25% for today. So there's definitely some momentum coming into altcoins. I'm well diversified. I've got 25 cryptocurrencies, of which 24 is in altcoins. So obviously Bitcoin is the 25th one. So that is the ones that I'm busy looking at, and hopefully this can consolidate, give us some nice runs into the end of the year on the altcoins, and then after that we could see a breakout then coming here for that 120 and the 150 targets which I've been setting. I have set targets here at 100, 105, 110 and 120. Those are the short-term interim targets that we're looking at, and then 150 after that. I believe we should see by March, we should see roughly Bitcoin at 150. Then it's close of financial year. People need the money to pay taxes. So we should see a big sell-off in March, I believe. And then the next run up the page until the end of the year. So let's hope there for the best. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Then looking at the indices here, DAX, my mentoring program, we're really long from the breakout here at the bottom, so we're looking good there. But on a retracement scenario, back to 50-60% level, I will then look for longs yet again. If we look here at the euro, very, very weak, which is very stock market bullish. So if I can get a retracement back here, that would be great if I can get a long candle set up here. But for my current open positions, I would love this to keep flying up the page. But that's what I'm waiting at present for. In euro yen, we look at the euro red zone, bottom of the pile, yen, all the sparkle. So I want to be short here, getting short on the euro and long on the yen, but I'm going to need a retracement. So retracement of this last directional swing back to the 50-61% level, right at structure coming in there. That's the area I'm going to look for some shorts. Then on the Swiss yen, trying to be long yen Swiss. Well, that's red zone. I'm after the yen long, but I won't mind a Swiss short at this stage. Last directional swing, retracement back to 61% level, right at structure coming in there. So if I can get a retracement back there, nice candle reversal, then I will look for some short setups. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please follow the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.